let's get back to crypto. We are seeing a ramp up in Bitcoin hash rate. I don't think we've crossed that 1 exahash again yet, but CleanSpark has bumped up 9% in May, boosting their hash rate and power capacity. CleanSpark's Bitcoin mining production rose more than 9% in May, bringing its treasury to 12,502 Bitcoin, double the amount it held at the same time last year. According to its monthly report, the company mined 9.4% more Bitcoin in May, producing 694 coins compared to 633 in April. CleanSpark also achieved 45.6 exahash rate up from 42.4 in April and expanded its contracted power capacity to 987 megawatts. May was a strong execution month for CleanSpark. Zach Bradford, CEO and president, said, "We increased our month-end hash rate to 45.6 exahash a second, up 7.5% sequentially, while improving average fleet efficiency." The company's Bitcoin treasury reached 12,502 Bitcoin in May, up 103% from past years. According to the company, the Bitcoin reserve expansion is linked to its mining operations and has not included any equity issuance since November of 2024. The company is the 6th largest public Bitcoin holder. It's a powerful validation of our infrastructure first strategy, Bradford said. On June 3rd, the day the company announced its May operational performance, CleanSpark shares were up 6.5% intraday. Over the past month, CleanSpark shares have risen 12.4% according to Google Finance, surpassing the Nasdaq's performance over the same period. CleanSpark's May hash rate has been on the rise in 2025. In May, the company sold 293 Bitcoin at an average price of $102,254 per coin, generating roughly $30 million in gross sales revenue. The company's earnings for the second quarter of 2024 shows $182 million revenue, up 62.5% from the prior year. Despite the growing revenue, CleanSpark posted a net loss of $139 million US. CleanSpark's output faces competition from other miners. Crypto miner Marathon Digital mined 950 Bitcoin in May compared to 705 in April, a rise of 34.8% for the month. On average, the company mined an additional 7.2 Bitcoin per day. Riot Platforms saw a smaller but still significant increase in production, mining 514 Bitcoin in May compared to 463 in April, representing an 11% jump in the period. Like CleanSpark, Marathon, and Riot Platforms have seen a boost in their share prices over the past few days. Obviously, the price of Bitcoin's going up as well. We did have a reel back, but we'll talk about that here in a second. I think it was a little intentional. And one of the things, I still don't understand the strategy of these large companies always holding a huge reserve in Bitcoin at what we would consider. So there's a debate right now if we've seen double top. I would say if we looked at the charts, here, let's go over this real quick, right? So if we look at the previous cycles for Bitcoin, like it is eerily similar, right? Like we have this kind of double top here. So if we look at 2021, if you guys see this, right? We had our first top at almost 60,000, right? Or a little above 60. Came back down and then it went back up to 60 again. And then it just kind of fell off, right? This looks exactly the same. Yes, it's not as high. So I guess you could say we're still early, but I don't think so. This looks like a double top because we went up, to that 110,000 almost, and then we went to the 111. And now we're probably going to be coming on the way back down. I could be wrong, right? Like technically we have, from a timeline perspective, we have what, till October? So we have 4 more months. But if we're looking historically, which history, once again, I'll say doesn't always repeat, but it rhymes. Historically, we have this double top and then it comes back down. It looks like that now. I hope you enjoyed this clip from the Crypto Mining Show. If you would like to see more from this particular episode, take a look up here. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support me directly, you can go to sonofatech.locals.com and become a member. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday.